Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, Q4 is at the corner already, and one of the best things you can do is to get started and prepare for it. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through a title that you can start working on now that will help you get a lot of money in this Q4 season. So if you are interested, make sure you stay to the end of this video. One of the things you have to realize on Amazon KDP is that customers buy titles, not necessarily your book. All right, what people buy on Amazon are the titles or the keywords that you use. So knowing the right keyword for this season to use is essential, and today's video is dedicated to showing you a keyword and a title that makes a lot of money on Amazon KDP. All right, this title I'm about to share to you in today's video makes at least $600 monthly on Amazon KDP. All right, and it's one of the Q4 seasons. You can get started on this title right away. All right, so make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you more titles for Q4 that you can work on and earn a lot of money this season. All right, so without wasting much time, let's dive into the video for today. So guys, the first thing we want to do is to head over to Amazon. All right, and then I'm going to type out the title, and then we are going to see the number of competition on Amazon, and then we're going to confirm how much this cookbook makes with Publisher Rocket. All right, you're going to see how much it makes with Publisher Rocket. I'm going to be also showing you how to write the book using ChatGPT. So it is something you want to see. So don't go anywhere. All right, so when you come out to Amazon, you want to type out the title. You can see the name of the book here. Breville Smart Air Fryer Cookbook for Beginners. Breville Smart Air Fryer Cookbook for Beginners. Now, Breville Smart is an appliance. If you take it on Google and you search what Breville Smart is, you are going to see that it's an appliance. All right, so as you can see, Breville Smart is a toaster or an oven, a toaster oven. All right, so this is a niche that is unsaturated and brings in, like I said, it brings in $600 monthly on Amazon KDP. Okay, so you want to get started on this right away. You want to get started on this title right away. All right, so let's go back to Amazon. All right, let's go back to Amazon and then let's see some of the books. All right, so as you can see, this book was published in June 22, 2024. It was published this year and it has 91 results already. So this will be the best title you can work on this Q4 that will fetch you a lot of money. All right, let's check other books. This was published in 2023 and you can see the BSR. All right, this was published in 2024. All right, and you can see it has over 23 reviews. It has over 23 reviews. 2024 too has about 28 reviews. So I don't know if this is proof enough for you that this title is something you can get started. Jump on this title immediately you are seeing this video. Get started on it right away. Okay, I'm committed to sharing more titles like this on Amazon that will fetch you a lot of money. Titles that you never knew you could work on. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. So let us go over to Publisher Rocket now and then let's see how much this cookbook makes monthly on Amazon KDP. All right, so I'm going to type out the same title on Amazon KDP and then click go get them on Publisher Rocket and then click go get them rockets. And as you can see, the number of competitors are just 219. The average price $14. So you can price your book around $12 to $13. All right, and then you can see it makes over $600 monthly on Amazon KDP. Okay, so this is something you can work on. You can see the competitive score just 18. Now it doesn't have enough searches, but when you run ads on this book, I can assure you, you are going to start bringing in a lot of money on Amazon KDP. So if you are not yet making $500 to $1,000 on Amazon KDP, is because you're not following my channel. So make sure you follow my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like all my videos, watch them, and I assure you your Amazon KDP journey is going to be transformed. All right, so heading back to Amazon now. All right, so you can see this BSR 585. You can see this BSR 517. So these are all amazing. This was published in 2024 this year, and you can see the BSR. All right, so this tells you that this book is bringing in a lot of money even without running ads. This guy is not sponsoring this his book, but you can see it here bringing in a lot of money. So now the next question is, how do you write this cookbook? All right, that's the next question you might be asking me. How do I start writing this cookbook? So there's a video on my channel already where I shared with you how to get started writing cookbooks on Amazon KDP. So it's going to be showing right now. So just click on it, or later you go to my channel, look for it, and then watch it. So if I was to get started writing this cookbook, one of the first things I'm going to do, I want to open up one of my competitors' book, all right, and then look through it, look inside of the book to see if there are anything special that I have to do, anything I need to know about. Look through the table of content to know how I will structure mine. Okay, so I'm going to click on read sample. All right. So you can see the interior. This is amazing. This is amazing. All right, so when you are structuring your own table of content, you can use Canva to reproduce this. All right, I have a video on my channel how to use Canva to create cookbook designs. So as you can see, there's nothing too special, just the usual breakfast recipe, lunch recipe, all right, vegetable and side, poultry recipe, dessert recipe, fish and seafood recipe, meal, red meat recipes, and so on and so forth. Okay. So this is something you can get started doing right away. Get started on this cookbook title right away. I want to know your thoughts on this video. I want to know your thoughts on this title. Did you know about this title before? Did you know how profitable this title was? If not, drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know your take. Let me know if you have any challenge getting started writing this cookbook. I can help you write it. All right, there'll be a link in my description if you want me to help you to write this cookbook, all right, which you are seeing now. Make sure you click the link in the description. All right, let's have a discussion on how I can help you craft your next best-selling cookbook titles. All right, so see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.